quite sure what state to find you in, whether you're dressed in each other's clothes or you're covered in makeup.
I painted my dad's toenails once.
I've even gone to the door before with my hair in a bit of a ponytail and nail varnish on because I've forgotten.
How has it changed your relationship with Freya, being the main carer?
I know she sees me as a father, but I think I'm also, because I'm quite a giddy person anyway, you know, I'm a big kid at heart, so it's like having another playmate for Freya, and I think it's a fantastic relationship that we've got. And it's a relationship where it's much better because I'm not the traditional dad coming in from a long day at work, tired and being a disciplinarian and just getting them last 2 hours of the day where you're aware that you've got a finite amount of time, you've got to get a fed, bath, bed, with it all within probably 2 hours of you getting in from work. So I get to do all the fun things with them, and it's really, really nice. Should we do an experiment, Freya?
Yeah.
Should we do the one where we see what results in a glass of water?
Yeah.
We're going to put this coffee bean in and we're going to see if this one floats or sinks.
Yes.
Right, you stir them up and see if it makes a difference. They're not dissolving, are they?
But honey does. I think the